Hello everyone, welcome back to the ASMR Book Club. This is Catherine, and today I'm going to do a little unboxing video for you. And this one is a little different because I have no idea what is in this box. It is from TenTree, and they have this promotion where you can get a mystery bag with 5 items in it. And if you watched my previous videos, I got a hoodie and a vest from TenTree, which I really love. It's an eco-friendly online clothing store. And for each item that you purchase, they plant 10 trees. Which means that with this mystery bag, 50 trees will be planted following my order. So, really excited to discover what is in it. I only know that it's women's clothing and that it is in my size, which is medium. So, without waiting any longer, let us discover together what is in it. I have a little scalpel knife, which I'm going to use to open this box. So if you don't like blades, I suggest that you skip a little ahead in the video. Okay. Sorry, I was just putting the mic down. So. Okay. I'm going to try to not be too noisy opening this. Okay, what do we have here? This is a bag. I don't think this is one of the items. This is just a bag with the TenTree logo, which you can see here. It's the number 10 with a little tree inside the 0. It's quite pretty, and it's got a string to close it. Like this, which is really cool because that means I can use it as a shoe bag. There's a little note inside which I'm going to read. It says, "This is not a bag. This is a statement of female empowerment. Each piece is proudly crafted at home by women in Bangladesh through pioneering member of the World Fair Trade Organization, CORR. Our manufacturer employs disadvantaged and marginalized female artisans to create products which support local business, fair trade practice, and gender equality. At TenTree, our mission doesn't end at planting trees. We strive to work with ethical suppliers to deliver products that stand behind our environmental and social values. Use this bag as a symbol for your own dedication to protecting our planet along with those who live on it. It's 100% natural cotton, crafted in Bangladesh. This is cool. It's a little fair trade bag. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna take everything out so I'm not encumbered by this box. Okay. So let's see what the first item is. Oh, it's a t-shirt with no, how do you call it? A camisole. T-shirt with no sleeves. This beautiful gray color, beautiful dark gray color. And here, you can see what it is. Hemp's benefits. Breathable, durable, eco-friendly. Cool. It's cotton made from hemp. And it says, hemp for future. Hemp is a super earth textile, which is 100% biodegradable and grown without any chemical inputs. By buying this product, you are helping to invest in the longevity of the planet. Well, now I feel really good about myself. It is Women's Ice Fall Tank Color Phantom, size medium. And I have a little tree code, so I can go check up on the website where the trees have been planted. Remember that when you buy an item, they plant 10 trees, where you can see where in the world they've been planted. The last ones that I bought were in Madagascar, which I think is really fun. It's a really wonderful texture. It's a little different from regular cotton. It looks really flowy. Can't wait to put it on. So that was item number 1. Item number 2 is, oh, it's quite big. I think it's a hoodie. It's a little hoodie. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. And it's beautiful, this beautiful coral color. And it's got a little pouch here at the front. It's so soft. It feels wonderful. And it's just thick enough. I'm gonna wear this for sure. I love my TenTree hoodie. Let's see what this says. This is Women's Ironwood in the color Tea Berry. Tea Berry. Awesome. And I think this one is made from regular cotton. There's an extra layer in the hoodie. Oh, that feels so great. Well, wonderful. Well, can't wait to try this on. I might wear it to work tomorrow, because it's always a little bit chilly at work. There's something crinkly in here. I wonder what it is. Okay, so next, oh, this is pretty. This is a t-shirt with some trees at the front. I don't know if you can see the color really well in the camera, but it's kind of a greenish sort of gray. Let me see what the color says here. It says gargoyle gray. It's a women grove tea in in the color Gargoyle Gray. I love that. And it's made, this is the tag here says TenTree, the new age fiber. Ooh, what is that? TenTree is a natural cellulose fiber from wood. It offers optimum moisture transportation for your skin's well-being. I'm going to read it in French. TenTree est une fibre cellulosique naturelle à base de bois. Cette structure offre une transportation optimale de l'humidité pour le bien-être de votre peau. Wow. Looks like it has a really nice shape. It's got a rounded bottom, if you can see here. And it's a good length. I think. I don't like t-shirts to be too short. And it's got a nice wider collar, which is nice. It's going to show a little bit of collarbone. And the texture is amazing. They're all really different. The first one was a little stiffer. Still comfy, but a little stiffer. This one is just really, really flowy. It almost feels like something that should be polyester, but it's made from natural wood fibers. That's so great. I'm so excited. Okay, and which one is that? Sorry for the cut. My camera just stops after like 12 minutes. It's kind of frustrating. Okay, so this one, oh, it looks gorgeous. It's a long sleeve t-shirt, and it's a part of their constellation designs. So it's got a bunch of constellations on it. Lupus, Cygnus, Cancer, Virgo, Aquarius. That's mine. That's my constellation. What is that? Scorpius, Cassiopeia, Leo, Auriga. I don't know that one. Oh, that's a mouthful. Camelopardalis. I don't know that one. Norma, Aries. This is really pretty, and I think this one glows in the dark a little bit, actually, if it's like their hoodie. It's got a rounded bottom like the other one. It looks just beautiful. Oh, it's also made from tencel, so it's a wood fiber, and it is called Star Map in the color Phantom. It looks a little bit darker in the camera, but this is actually like a charcoal gray. It's super soft. Can't wait to try it on. And the last one, okay, it's a t-shirt. It's a more classic t-shirt. It's another charcoal gray. It's also made from tencel. This is called Women's Sapling Tee, color Meteorite. They have lots of different names for dark gray. This one has a little pocket with, as if there was a tree coming out of it. Don't know if you can see. It's not focusing super well. Hold on. Sorry about the noise. And it says, committed to protecting. It's once again really soft. This one has a shorter sleeve. And it's got like a normal t-shirt collar. and it's a lot wider. I think it won't be like so tight fitted. It's gonna be just like a loose casual t-shirt. Okay, I'm gonna try to fold it all pretty like Marie Kondo style. Have you guys watched that? Did you like immediately want to clean out your closet after you watched it? I did. Not that I'm usually like a hoarder, but I wanted to try her folding method, which is wonderful. Here you go. I think I did it well. Well, that was it. Thank you for listening to my little unboxing. I hope you found it relaxing. I'm really happy with what they sent me. I was hoping a little bit for a pair of not leggings but sweatpants, because they have really lovely sweatpants and they're kind of expensive on the website, so I thought I might get it in the mystery bag, but maybe next time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you again soon at the ASMR